guys, Kirk here with TheCOM, coming to you with a brand new product. We're going to call this the COMsole B2. And the nice thing about this is we're going back to our roots of plug and play. This will eliminate the push-to-talk cord that had to run down the side, as well as 2 extension cords for the front 2 passengers. And I bet you're wondering how that's going to happen. So you're seeing kind of the top that's going to mount up against the ceiling right here. I'm just going to show you, here's the front. So you're going to have all your headsets 1 and 2 plugged directly into the front. 3 and 4 will go to the back with 4-foot extension cords. The audio out port, you can connect your external speaker and control your external speaker with your intercom. There's a COM badge. SAE port to power it. It's your simple connection. So here it is with the power connected. You can just push the power switch, the power comes on. You can see it's lit up with the intercom right there. It's very simple. Lights on, lights off, and then your push to talk to if you got a radio connected to it. Here's the rotary encoder. That's headset 1 volume. Now headset 2's got control of the volume knob. It can go up and down. Headset 3, headset 4. Press and hold for the Vox. Now you're controlling the Vox. Vox up, Vox down. Tap it for half Vox. You can press and hold it again. That's your Bluetooth menu. Twist ahead to skip ahead. Twist back to skip back. Tap for pause, tap for play. And anytime you get a phone call, you tap to answer, tap to hang up. Press and hold for 2 seconds to open your Siri or your Google Assistant. Press and hold, long hold again. That's your Bluetooth volume up and down. That turns your volume of your phone up and down. This is just the intercom only right now. We're gonna have 3 different options. So you can just buy it like this with just the intercom only, which is ready for radio because it's already got the PTT integrated. Or you can get it with the K1 connector, and it'll come with the K1 connector coming out of this hole similar to this, and then just have the Baofeng or any K1 connected radio, plug it in and you've got a radio. Very simple. Or you can purchase our radio separate, so you could do a separately mounted radio with a 6-foot extension cord, and so you could mount the radio probably up on the roll bar. If you wanted to extend it, you could use one of our 4-foot extension cords and get it up to 10 feet away, so you could mount it up underneath the dash if you wanted to. Or my favorite, you would order it with the radio or integrated. That's what these holes are for, and so the radio would become integrated with it, and then you would be able to just mount this up, connect your coax cable. Your push to talk's already integrated. You could mount it. We do have the option to push to talk extension cord with a splitter on there if you want additional push to talks down low, like on your steering wheel still. So the COM B2 will come with your SAE Power cord with a 10 amp fuse, and then it'll also come with a parts bag. If you're going to be doing you're going to have some spacers, 1/4 inch spacers, 1/2 inch spacers. You're going to have these smaller bolts for mounting it straight up flat against a flat roof. If you got like a honeycomb style or a thicker style roof, or if you want it down a little bit further, you can do our 45 millimeters or our 60 millimeters with some spacers. You've got some lock nuts that go on the bottom to secure it with a washer. Here's your neoprene washer that will go seal up against your roof to kind of, once you've drilled it, you can put this on and seal up against your roof. Some extra bolts to kind of hold it in place if you use one of the longers, and some, of course, washers. So here's the dimensions. It's about 7.5 inches exact. Is 11.5 inches. Depth without the radio is just over 3 inches. If you got the switches included, you're going to be a little bit more than that. So let's see the switches. You're about 4 inches with the rocker switches on top of it. So